This is day 2. Today goal was simple. Solve at least one LeetCode problem after office. So I solved one DSA problem, which I can show next by explaining the solution and whatever I thought and learn. So the problem was valid subarray with matching some digits. So today's first problem, valid subarray with matching some digit 1. So let's read the question. So the question says you are given an integer. So what is given here? So we have given a num and an integer x digit, and we have to find a sub array. The considering so we have to find a sub array whose sum of its elements satisfy both the conditions. What are the conditions? That the first digit should be an x and last digit should be an x. So it looks like an easy question. So example 1 0 0 1. So this is an valid array, valid sub array 1. So this is a valid subarray 101. This is a valid subarray 101. Does this a valid subarray 102? No, this is not a valid subarray. So we found 3, and here it is written 4. So how can we find 4? So 1 is this, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah. So there is 4, right? So now moving forward. So simple approach, सीधे सूडो कोड लिखते हैं. So pseudocode will be like एक फंक्शन होगा जो कि x ले रहा होगा एंड सम ले रहा होगा, right? So that will find if like while sum exists, then so एक कंडीशन इससे पहले आएगी, wait. So if sum mod 10 is not equal to x, then it will be a false, right? So यहाँ आएगा while sum एग्जिस्ट करता है, तो हम एक वैल्यू ले लेते हैं दैट विल बी सम mod 10 and then sum equal to sum divided by 10. Why we are doing this? We are just iterating it. Like for example, लेट अभी इसको बताता हूँ. If sum अगर 0 हो गया, that means the value ended. तो sum 0 हो गया, so we have to just return value equal to x, right? That's it. So this is our function, that helper function, that will find कि जो value है हमारी, जो sum है हमारा, this sum contains the first digit as x or last digit as x or not. और बाकी rest main should be like for loop 0 to n, then again for loop 0 to n, then we have to call this function. Here we will make int sum equal to 0, and here we will do sum plus equal to num का j, this will be j, this will be I, and the function में x और sum, right? If this is true, then we will take a counter, count plus plus, right? And at the end we will return the count. Now let's code it. Yeah, we understood the problem. Now let's solve it. साइज ले लिया, so for loop, right? So हमें यहाँ हर बार सब एरे लेना है, तो sum 0 sum plus equal to nums का j कर helper of the sum and x is true, तो हमें सीधे सीधे करना है आंसर काउंट करना है, so we need to take right, यहाँ boolean चाहिए helper पूछने के लिए, so sum should belong now, as it's showing here कि 10 to the power 9 तक है, और ये तो लेंथ कम ही है तो n स्क्वायर चल ही जाएगा. कुछ बेस कंडीशंस कि अगर सम 0 है तो सीधे सीधे ट्रू कर दे, सम अगर mod 10 है और वो x से इक्वल है तब भी ट्रू कर दे, नॉट इक्वल है सीधे सीधे फॉल्स, और इसके बाद वी कैन से कि सम को तोड़ दें, सम mod 10 ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, ऐसे शायद, हाँ return value equal to 10, sorry x, return false, why? क्योंकि वो मैच नहीं करा तो यहीं से ट्रू हो जाना चाहिए था, नहीं तो फॉल्स. Cool. I think this is correct. Let's submit this. Yeah, it is working. Let's submit it. Cool, it is working.